Welcome to Playa de Muro, another one of Mallorca's most beautiful and iconic beaches, located along the Bay of Alcúdia in the north of the island. Playa de Muro stretches for several kilometers of fine white sand, at least around 6 kilometers of beach, and is one of the longest beaches in Mallorca. In fact, the sandy coastline continues almost from Port d'Alcúdia all the way up toward Can Picafort, forming a stunning bay that many describe as having a Caribbean-like feel with its turquoise clear water. Like Alcudia Beach, Playa de Muro is known for its wide shoreline and gently sloping seabed, which keeps the water shallow for many meters. This makes it ideal for children, families, and anyone who just wants to paddle and enjoy calm, clear water. In summer, the water temperature here often reaches around 25 degrees Celsius, making swimming and splashing in the sea very comfortable for most of the season. On hot days, the shallow water warms up quickly and feels wonderfully refreshing. The beach is divided into different sectors, from busier hotel-backed areas with full services to quieter, more natural sections near the dunes and nature reserve. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. No matter where you go along this long stretch of sand, you'll find beautiful blue water and space to relax. During the summer months, lifeguards are on duty, and the beach proudly flies the blue flag for cleanliness, safety, and water quality. Showers, toilets, foot wash areas, disabled access points, and sunbed and umbrella rentals are available along the main sectors, so you can enjoy a full day by the sea. Are you planning your next trip abroad? Then you need to check out the Wise Card, the most international debit card on the planet. We use it every time we travel, and it truly makes a difference. With Wise, you can pay and withdraw money in the local currency wherever you are, without worrying about hidden fees or unfair exchange rates. Everything is transparent, easy, and just a click away. With the Wise Card, you can spend in 50+ currencies worldwide, instantly convert between euros, dollars, pounds, and more at the real exchange rate, save money every time you send, receive, or spend abroad. And the best part, no hidden fees, no exchange rate markups, just a fair, secure, and simple way to manage your money internationally. By applying through our link in the description, you'll get your first transfer of up to £500 completely fee-free. That's right. You can try Wise, save money, and see for yourself how practical it is when you travel. It's fast, it's secure, and the link takes you directly to the official Wise website. Don't miss out on this opportunity to travel smarter and spend less. So go ahead, apply for your Wise card today using our link below. Easy, practical, and designed for the way the world travels now. For active travelers, there are plenty of water sports on offer. Paddle boards, kayaks, and even banana boat rides are available in the busier sectors. And the long, shallow water makes it perfect for stand-up paddleboarding or gentle exploration. Getting to Playa de Muro is easy. You can reach it by car, bus, bike, or even on foot if you're staying nearby. Free or paid parking spots are often available near the beach, but in high season, it's best to arrive early to secure a place. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. The beach's expansive shoreline means there's always space for everyone. Even during busy summer days, it rarely feels overcrowded. You can choose a lively section near restaurants and bars, or walk a little farther for a quieter, more natural spot. Whether you're here for relaxing in the sun, swimming in calm, warm water, trying water sports, or enjoying local food by the sea, Playa de Muro is a perfect destination for families, couples, and friends alike. Playa de Muro is also great for food and refreshment. Beach bars and restaurants line parts of the promenade, offering everything from fresh seafood and local paella to casual snacks and drinks with gorgeous sea views. And if you'd like to support our channel even more, you can also click the Super Thanks button here on YouTube. Every bit of support really helps us grow and bring you more useful content. Just behind the beach is the Albufera Natural Park, Mallorca's largest wetland. This protected reserve is a beautiful place for walking, cycling, or bird watching, and offers a peaceful break from the sun and surf. Are you planning your next trip abroad? Then you need to check out the Wise Card, the most international debit card on the planet. We use it every time we travel, and it truly makes a difference. With Wise, you can pay and withdraw money in the local currency wherever you are, without worrying about hidden fees or unfair exchange rates. Everything is transparent, easy, and just a click away. And here's something special for you. By applying through our link in the description, you'll get your first transfer of up to £500 completely fee-free. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out.